So, my name is Yasir, and today I will guide you through making delicious and nutritious date balls. To start, gather these ingredients: pitted dates, shredded coconut, almonds, and cinnamon. Next, place all the ingredients into a shredder. And mix it until it forms a paste. Once ready, take it out and shape it into balls. So this is how you make date balls for your iftar. It tastes really good. Ramadan Kareem.